Hi, this is Vizzy Pro 3 channel. In today's video, I will show you how to change printer paper size on MacBook. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! If you print frequently with different paper size on Mac, you might get frustrated if the system is stuck on the wrong paper size that you don't want to use. Luckily, it's easy to set the default paper size for all printers on your Mac. How to do it is very simple. So first of all, you can open your system preferences on your MacBook. And from here, you can go to printers and scanners. You can select on that. So you'll find there's an option the default printer. You can choose your printer by actually it's set to less printer used, and in here the default paper size it's set to F4. Now maybe if we want to use the another paper size like US leather or legal, you can just select in here. So you have changed the printer paper size on your MacBooks anytime when you want to print and you want to change the paper size, you can just change it in here on the settings. It's very simple, right? So that is how to change printer paper size on MacBook. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.